What does root access in a VPS server mean? VPS is a fast, secure and scalable security platform that offers a consistently stellar performance. Although for some, it is the complete root access that VPS allows makes it a platform of choice. So, what does root access on a VPS server mean and how does it affect your site's performance? Unrestricted access. Like the admin in Windows, the root user in Linux has the free run of the entire hosting space. A root user can create, edit and delete any type of file on the hosting server, whenever needed. Permission management. Managing permissions for website users is a critical function, as a wrong permission for a wrong user could be disastrous. A root user can change permissions for all users and grant access only to the extent warranted by their roles. Software installations. Sometimes your website may need a custom application to perform up to its best potential. Root access grants you the ability to install any software, anywhere within the hosting space. Custom configurations. While the default setup works well for most websites, a custom configuration multiplies performance. Root access allows you to configure your apps to give their best performance for your hosting setup. Enhanced security. Your web server's security is a big undertaking to ensure that your website stays safe from all cyber threats. Root access allows you to set up system-level security that can protect your hosting at deeper levels. HostGator offers the complete root access and an integrated cPanel with every VPS hosting plan. Your website is assured of a blazing fast performance with a highly stable, top-notch network.